log 1. Arrived in Toronto. And I didn't bring the Manchester weather with me. It's nice and sunny. So I'm making this video in sunny Toronto. It's a bit cold, but survive. This is from Tenny's balcony. Okay, first lesson HQ yesterday. Interesting things happening. We were doing some exercises, some breathing exercises, and we were looking at when you're doing squats, press ups and things, how to get rid of tension. So you do a big breath in, and then you do the press ups, and you'll find when you first do the press up you'll have tension like in your throat area, and you've got to shake these places out. Then next time you do it you might have the area be here. So basically I found that the area was going lower and lower in my body, and after about 10 minutes of this, we were having, I was having no tension. So that was the first part. When we were doing the lessons, some interesting bits, and we were doing tension and relaxation exercises. So we'd get our fists out. Someone would grab your hand. In one move you would move your hand over with tension, then relax, and then carry on with the move. It was really interesting because we found when I was training with Maya, who was very good, and she was throwing me all over the place. So basically you start off with the tension, you get rid of the tension, to replace it with relaxation, but to the other person it feels like the tension's still there. It's very interesting. Vladimir did some no touching work, which was really interesting. You go for a big movement, the other person does a reaction, and then you can just, with touches on the back of the knees and things like that, you can take them down. But he was doing some basically it's redirection. You're going for something, you look like you're going full on for something, but you're actually going for something else, and it's kind of a redirection. So this redirection is very interesting work. Those are the two main points that I got from the first lesson. So I did the health class, which was an hour, and then I worked with Maya on some principles of systema, especially the wedge, also rotation and spiraling, and a couple of other things. And I did some redirecting, or what we would call no-touch work. So basically I did some with her, so really enjoyable for the first lessons. So anyway, my next video diary I'll try to go into more detail. I asked some people on Facebook if they had any questions to ask Vladimir directly, then please fire away. So one of the questions that was asked was are you going to Colorado in the near future? And the answer is yes, if you organise it. And the other one was we were discussing actually some of the questions, and because I said that I could answer some of the questions myself, you know, and Vladimir said, yeah, why don't you? You're an intelligent guy, he said. So one of the questions was, do you have any sorts of movements getting away from knife attacks? My answer to that question is get Martin Wheeler's video. That video is really good on. Martin's very good at moving away from knives. If you see some of his YouTube videos, you'll see that he's got great movement getting away from knives. So copy that. Okay, that's it for now.